What's the second derivative?
So it's not
96 x squared. What's the third derivative?
92 x.
Huh?
192
192 x. Then what's the fourth derivative?
192.
192. So my k is 192.
I did my it's 96. The second
I'd have to simplify.
yeah. It is that's more that's how much I can
What is b minus a? 2. Delta x is what? Delta x is b minus a over n. What? 2 over 8, which is 1/4. You can, you don't need to simplify that. So the error, the error is less than or equal to, no more than. No more than. Who did the second one? I need the second derivative. What is delta x here? What is delta x? The d minus a is 2. Delta x is what? 2 over 6, which is 1/3. And my function is what? What's the first derivative?
-2 over x minus 1 to the third.
Negative 2x minus 1 to the negative 3. What's the second derivative? 6
times x.
2 over x minus 1 to the power 4. And that is a decreasing function.
That it is.
That is a decreasing function. And you're looking at this function between
4 and 6.
4 and 6. What's its maximum value?
Well, 4.
This evaluated at 4. Maximum. Which is what?
2 over 27.
6 over 81.
2 over 27.
2 over 27. So what is the trapezoidal error?
More than 6.
K b minus a delta x squared over 12. And what is my k?
6 over 8.
2 over
Oh, 2 over 27.
27. And what is b minus a? 2. What is delta x? 1/3. And divide.
Steer, grade, average, medium,
So my error is no more than this. Okay, let's do now a problem where we want to find n. What's the minimum n that will guarantee a specific accuracy? So here's a problem.
So there's a whole class on this, error analysis.
Oh no, there is a class called numerical analysis. If you want a computer to do something, then you need to know how accurate the answer the computer gives you, even though you don't know. Right? So this is called numerical analysis. Okay, so here's an example.
What?
So I want to approximate that error.
Oh, I thought you said.
That integral using the trapezoidal rule. The integral from negative pi by 2 to pi by 2 of 4 sine x. And I want to know how many intervals do I need so that my error is no more than 0.0001. How many intervals do I need to break it up into? I want to use the trapezoidal rule. And the error must be no more than 0.0001. So I'm going to use the trapezoidal error formula. What is the trapezoidal error formula? It's this. So, how am I going to use this formula?
Find delta x. It's an output. Step around. In a
So I know what b minus a is. What is b minus a?
pi over 2 1 pi.
Pi. Okay, so that's that. What is my delta x?
That's where you want minus a over here.
Delta x is b minus a over n, so in this case it's going to be pi over n. Pi over n. So I'm going to put here k pi over n squared divided by 12 must be what?
10 to the negative 4.
What is the relation? What do I put the 10 to the negative 4? Here, right? So I put 0.0001, and I put my k, my b is pi, and my delta x is pi over n squared, and this is 12. Well, what do I do here? What do I do here?
Keep the same.
I want this to be greater than, I want this error here to be less than or equal to 0.001. So I got to write it this way. I want this to be less than this. Now, I'm good to go, except I don't know k. So how do I find k with the trapezoidal rule? Huh? I'm going to have to differentiate what function?
4 sine x.
4 sine x. And what is its derivative? 4 cosine x. And what's the derivative of that? Huh?
Negative 4 sine x.
Negative 4 sine x. And with the trapezoidal rule, I only need the second derivative. Huh? And I want to look at the second derivative between negative pi by 2 and pi by 2. But I know that the sine x is always between 1 and minus 1. So that this, in absolute value, is less than or equal to 4. If you know some pre-calculus, that is. The absolute value of the second derivative is less than or equal to 4. Raise your hand if you don't understand that. The 4 sine x is a sine function with an amplitude of 4. In absolute value, it is no more than 4. Doesn't matter what interval you're looking at. So I'm going to come in here and put what?
4.
So here's the inequality I want to solve. With my k. Very k. And now you will give it to your Math 99 student and say, do you know how to solve inequalities? Who knows how to solve this inequality? When? Multiply both sides by 12. What do you get? 0.0012 is greater than or equal to 4 pi cubed over n squared. I will take the reciprocal of both sides. Well, no. I'll divide both sides by 5. Well, we all know how to solve this. Right? Who's lost?
Don't put in negative.
Oh, I'm not dealing with negative. No. That's why I'm being absolute balance. What's next? What's next? Take the reciprocal of both sides. What? You reverse the inequality. Because if 1/2 is less than 1, I'm sorry, 1/2